All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe an occasion when you waited a long time for something to happen. So please, you can start.
Actually, when me and my friends were in matriculation, we were so much inspired from the high achiever ceremony of our seniors. So we were just waiting for our turn to happen. As soon as our matriculation exams ended, we were anxiously waiting for the results to be announced. So one day the day had came, and the results were announced, and I got 90% marks, and I was so glad that I would be in the list of high achiever ceremony students. So it is basically the ceremony that our school used to conduct to appreciate the students who got higher marks, like first top 20 students or 30 students. It depends every year. So the ceremony, as the name suggests, it appreciate the students. So the exams of middle school just came in between the timings of high achiever ceremony. Therefore, we had to wait for 2 to 3 months, and it delayed. That made me a bit frustrated that I was anxiously waiting for it, and it's becoming late every day. So because of this thing, and also due to the arrangements, as it's not at national level, but it's a big day for the achievers. So they had to make arrangements like they arrange leather packed certificates and bronze medals for the achievers. So due to some these reasons, it became late. And but finally the day arrived, and in however way we just reached the location. Me and my parents were invited for the ceremony, and I got the medal and the certificate, and I was very glad that I was being appreciated in front of my parents, actually. And after that, we had a
Okay,
high tea.
thank you so much. 1 minute 40 seconds. Overall, it's pretty good. I mean, you focused well on the topic, but still, I would say try to focus on the element when you waited a long time. Wait and long time should be referred to in your topic time and again, right? Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. On what occasions do people have to wait for a long time?
It depends, I guess. In our country, there are several services, like services from government offices or services from bank, and for transport. In these things, I guess people had to wait a lot.
Okay, what do people do while waiting?
If you ask from me, for nowadays, people usually just go for endless scrolling through their phones, the Facebook, the Instagram, and there are lots of social media apps. So usually people just stuck to this and do scrolling. And otherwise, they have different options, like they can read a book, they can wait patiently, and do some other activity too.
Do you like to wait for a long time?
Personally, I don't like to wait for a long time. It gives me, like, I become anxious. It gives me depression or things, stress, and I don't like it to wait for a long time.
Okay, overall it's good. For speaking part 1, try to come up with more ideas to elaborate your answer. Looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you a 7, but you have the tendency to achieve 7.5 to 8. Right?
Okay,
Okay,
I
thank you.
got the same band last time.